What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nicole and I would love it if you would subscribe and become part of the family. I make lots of videos on plus size fashion, makeup videos. I do lots of vlogs and travel vlogs, so definitely would appreciate if you guys would subscribe. I also post to Instagram pretty regularly, so if you guys would like to follow me there as well, it is Nicole Amber with 3 R's at the end. I will have that linked below in the description box as well. Today's video is a SHEIN try-on haul. This one is a little bit different because SHEIN is now collaborating with young and upcoming designers, and they get like a capsule collection on the SHEIN website. So this collaboration is SHEIN x Rock the Runway. And I got some stuff for myself, and then I also picked out a few pieces for my 6-year-old niece, Charlie. She unfortunately is not here to try the pieces on, but I will show them to you at the end of the video. With SHEIN, I always say it, you can't really go based off of your size, like 1X, 2X, 3X, or 20, 22, 24. You have to kind of like measure yourself or know your measurements and then order based off of those measurements. It's a little funky, but it will be well worth your time. As always, I do have a coupon code with SHEIN. It is NicoleA15, and it will get you an extra 15% off of your purchase. And it's not just for plus size women section. It's literally for the whole SHEIN website, which is nice. Now, some of the stuff I'm hauling today is a little bit more, it's a little different than I would typically pick. There are some like normal clothes or like typical Nicole clothes, but also there's some like different pieces, so I'm excited to show you guys that today. So I think we should just get right into the video. Let's do it. Okay, I picked up this fun 2-piece set. It is in baby blue, and this is so different. I feel like I would never pick anything out like this, but I really wanted to give it a try, and I really did like it. I think I would just wear some sort of shapewear on the bottom, but the top is a, I don't know, it's like a tank top style vest looking type of a top with silver buttons. It does have a collar, and then it came with the matching shorts, and these are just really different. They have like this abstract shape going on one side, 2 buttons. It matches perfectly with the top. It does have a zipper going up the side, so you have to zip yourself in. I picked this setup in a 4X, and it's not really made of a stretchy material, but the fit was like perfect. The next thing I picked up was this flowy dress, and it is like a yellow, brown, tan color scheme. Cinches in at the waist, flows out at the hips, and I really like this one a lot. It is double lined, which is nice. There is no parts that are see-through, which is fantastic. And I picked this up in a 4X, and the material itself is not stretchy, but the part in the waist does have elastic going through it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if you guys are new to my channel and new to my SHEIN hauls, I always keep my size, my height, my weight, and my measurements down in the description box if you need to use that for reference. So just to let you guys know. Okay, the next thing is a little wrap crop top. Really pretty. It is a white with like yellowy, like mustard yellowy floral pattern on it. It's really hard to show you, but it is a complete wrap top. I really like this one a lot. I think I would probably tack it at the boob area, so you know there's less boobage showing. However, other than that, I really did enjoy this. This wrap top I got in a 4X, and it is not made of a stretchy material. Next, I got a dress, and this is a maxi dress, but it's like a button-up maxi dress. It does have a collar. It's in this beautiful, beautiful rust orange color. And this dress came with a faux leather belt to belt yourself at the waist. I love that it comes with a belt, because I feel like whenever you get a dress that's a little too baggy and you're like, oh, I'll belt it, you just never quite have a belt that like works with the dress. At least that's the case for me. So I'm really happy it came with it. This is a dark brown faux leather belt with gold detailing, and I feel like it went with this dress so perfectly. This is definitely something I could see myself wearing to work, or just like casually on the weekends, or wine tasting, or whatever. So many different options. I got this dress in a size 2X, and it fit absolutely perfectly. Okay, I have another dress to show you, and I feel like this one would be so perfect for any of you plus size mamas out there, or mamas to be, who are having a boy and are having like a baby shower coming up. This is so pretty. Once again, I do need to tack where it crosses in the front because the boobage was just unreal. Like you could see my bra and everything, but how pretty is this color? It just cinches in and then flows out. It is so pretty. I love that the body portion is not see-through, but then the sleeves are kind of like a see-through type of material. It is just so pretty, so elegant. Like if I was pregnant and having a baby shower and I was having a boy, I would totally rock this. Like, oh, it's just so pretty. It does zip up in the back. I didn't even honestly do that. I just slipped it over my head and it worked out perfectly. And I picked this up in a 4X and it is not made of a stretchy material. Okay, this next one I did not even try on because I could just tell it's not gonna fit me. But I'll pop up a picture if it's still on the website of the model wearing it. But it is this bodycon, like lime green type of a dress, but it is 1000%, look at me. I mean, you could totally see my entire face. It is super see-through, so this might be something you would have to wear like, I don't know, something under that you wouldn't mind people seeing, I guess. I picked this one up in a 4X, but it's a little small. Another thing that didn't fit me, but I was kind of bummed about it, honestly, because it's really pretty, is this brown jumpsuit with gold button detailing. Let me show you these buttons. Like, can you see that? They are so pretty. It's like different. It's like not like a normal button, but it's just a jumpsuit, full length. I liked it a lot. It just didn't quite fit me. Got it in a 4X and it is not stretchy. I got some fun pants and I'm not sure if they're pajamas or if I can wear these out. I haven't decided, but they are drawstring. The drawstring is real. Thank God. I love when you get a good real drawstring and it's not just there for looks. But it's black and white and has these like paper boats, I think they are, on them. They're really pretty pants. Like I like them a lot. They're wide-legged. Like I could see myself wearing this with like a black or white bodysuit underneath, but I could also see myself like sleeping in them. So I don't know, honestly, if these are to be worn out or not. What do you guys think? You guys will have seen the try-on portion. Would you wear those out with a bodysuit? I don't know, but I like them. And I got them in a 4X. This next item is pretty wrinkly, but it is a faux leather jacket, really shiny like faux leather. And it's this pretty brown color. It does have a belt detail. This is so hard to show. With silver hardware. It was a cool jacket. I don't know if I would like legit wear this, but it was kind of cool, kind of edgy, kind of different. And that is what I like about SHEIN doing this like capsule collection stuff with up and coming designers, because I feel like, I mean, how cool would it be if you were a designer to have your stuff on really any website at all, but like SHEIN is so popular. So I don't know, it's kind of cool, kind of fun to just test the waters with new fashion that's actually affordable. Okay, I just put the jacket down, but I got it in a 3X, forgot to tell you guys that, and it is not stretchy. All right, let's move into the kids' clothes. I got a few things for my niece, like I said, so I'm just gonna go one by one and show you what I got and tell you what size I picked up. Although my niece is 6, she's about to be 7 actually in October, I got everything in the 8-year size just to be safe. So the first little thing I got are these cute little stretchy teal shorts, and they are drawstring shorts, but the drawstring is a faux one. It's literally just a bow sewn on, but I feel like you just can't go wrong with these. The elastic seems really really strong and heavy duty, so that's good. And then it came with the matching little sweatshirt, and it just says Los Angeles SHEIN Kids. It's like a little hoodie. Super cute. This is more of a cropped hoodie, which I wish it was a regular hoodie, but I still think it's cute, even to lounge around the house with. Next item I got is a cute little blouse. It's like an off-white kind of a color, has this really pretty floral lace detailing up here on the neckline. It is long sleeve, just really cute. I could see her wearing this with like some leggings in the fall time. Some leggings and some little boots or something. Really, really cute. Next is a sweater, and it's just a white sweater, really good material, and just has some floral little embroidery. Once again, I could see her wearing this, just, you know, throwing it on with some leggings or something, just super casual, but really cute. And also in 8-year. I think everything I got, did I say that already? Everything I got was 8 years. Another two-piece set, two-piece little lounge set is this pink and white tie-dye. Actually, I don't think that is cropped. I think that's just a normal sweater. And this is, I say sweater loosely because it's more of like, it's not really like sweatshirt material, it's thinner than that, so it'll be a little cooler, but it is a little hoodie with the matching pants. And these are little breakaway pants. They're so cute with the little buttons going down the side. So once again, super cute, even if she just wears them around the house. You guys, it's gonna be freaking over for everyone once I start having kids, because I don't know if I'm even gonna be able to film myself anymore, because I'm just gonna have all the kids' clothes. I'm literally gonna spend every last ounce of my money on kid stuff. It's just happening. I feel like kids fashion is so cute. Like, they're just so little. I just love it. All right, next up is a cardigan, and it's a cute little ombre cardigan. It goes from orange to like a white color to a dusty pink. Basic, but really cute. Nice material. Has some buttons and pockets going up the front, so I think she'll really like that. She loves like anything girly, like girly colors, so that'll be nice. All right, the last thing I picked up for her is this really cute little suede, like moto looking jacket, but it has the floral detailing down at the bottom. I just think this is so cute. It has the little silver button detailing, has the zipper going up the front, and it's lined with like this silky material. I don't know, I think it's adorable. I'm personally more of like a neutrals kind of a gal. Like I feel like when I have kids, it's gonna be all just neutrals, but I mean, pop a color, it wouldn't hurt anybody, you know? So really cute, and I think my niece will really like this one as well. So that was everything that I got in the SHEIN haul. I know it was a little bit different than usual, like my typical SHEIN hauls, but I still hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below for me. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.